Early birthday wish. Masasabi ko lang lagi kay Ate Janina, we love her all so much and we're so thankful for what she does for our family and everything, and we're just so proud of her with all the success that she's been having recently, and really excited for the future for her with more work and more blessings, and we just always wish the best for her, and we just always want to see her happy and successful.
Pero ano yung mga
Future plans? Ayun, more songs. Gonna keep writing music, gonna keep putting out music. And nagsastart na rin ako mag-gig.
Mention yung mga, di ba may mga events?
I have upcoming gigs din sa October 4, yung release party ko sa Mansion, Makati. And then meron ako sa October 8 na gig in Sagiho. Meron din ako sa October 17 in Takeover in Katipunan. So, ayun. Medyo happy ako na dumadami na yung gigs ko kasi yun talaga yung gusto kong gawin, mag-perform. I didn't study music but I had voice lessons. And I want to take more voice lessons.
Anong tinapos mo?
Sorry?
Anong natapos mo sa
Marketing. Integrated marketing.